1,671 people die from heart attacks every single day in the US alone. That's one person every single minute. In addition, 4,660 people are diagnosed with diabetes every day. That's more than 3 people every 60 seconds. The lean belly breakthrough will prevent you or someone you love from becoming part of these deadly statistics. Of course, you could try one of those generic fitness programs out there like P90 or Insanity. However, why would you when you have in front of you a simple system to fixing the exact problem you or your loved ones are facing right now? What's worse is that many of these programs use exercises that can leave you injured and diets that will mess up your hormones and even lead to developing eating disorders. I suppose you could also go out and hire some kid trainer from your local gym for $500 a month with no experience working with men and women over 35 who have health issues. You could then give a dietitian a couple $100 for a calorie counting meal plan, with no focus on belly fat, hormones or blood sugar issues. However, why would you when you could have the exact plan that melts away embarrassing and deadly belly fat every single day while targeting the #1 root cause of heart disease and diabetes without any of the dangerous effects of detox diets or high-intensity exercise programs? Plus, the lean belly breakthrough will save you from the pitfall of buying expensive and potentially deadly, fat-burning pills that, in reality, do nothing more than stimulate your adrenal glands, causing your body to secrete more and more cortisol, leading to severe hormonal issues, adrenal burnout, decreased muscle mass, nervousness, headache, insomnia, increased blood pressure, increased BMI and possibly death. Just imagine, in less than 3 minutes from now you'll be able to use the same powerful system for yourself that gave Dan and Sylvie results like this. With the lean belly breakthrough, there are no drugs to take or any rules to follow that will destroy your social life. There is no need to starve yourself or work out like a self-obsessed maniac. All you have to do is follow the simple 2-minute ritual and eat more of the good foods you already love. Each day you will enjoy getting up in the morning excited to see the amazing changes that have happened to your body from the day before. This is what's happened to the thousands of people who have already used this system around the world, and now it's your turn to join the community of success stories. When we first put this program together, we thought about charging $297 to get access to it. After all that we went through to gather this info and the expenses you would incur if you did the same, we knew it would still be a bargain. Heck, this would still be less than what you would pay for a month with a trainer, a visit with a dietitian, some prescription medications and health insurance. If you are interested, please click the link below the video. However, we wanted to pay it forward and make it possible for everybody to have access to this easy-to-follow program. We know firsthand how critically important it is that you know about this virtually unknown 2-minute ritual that melts away as much fat as you desire from your belly and love handles while targeting the true, hidden cause of heart disease and diabetes. Doing so, you'll enjoy health and energy like you have never felt before in your adult years. Your belly will be flat and your joints will feel as if they have been freshly lubricated. You'll look and feel younger than ever before, and you will find yourself moving with the vigor and strength of a person half your age. You will cut your risk of heart disease and diabetes, and your sex drive will return as your hormones come back into balance. Just imagine how great you will feel knowing that you have complete control over your health and body weight, with any worries about heart disease, diabetes and arthritis a thing of the past. Think of the comfort and security you will enjoy knowing that you will be there for years to come to spend time with your loved ones and grandchildren. See yourself full of youthful energy, being active, pursuing your hobbies and loving the life you have been given. Now think about what could happen if you don't take action today. Think about the moments you would miss, the vacations, walks with your friends and family, and all of the magical moments that make up a beautiful, full life. Yes, I think you will agree with me that this is an incredible offer at $297. However, this isn't about the money for me. The lean belly breakthrough saved the lives of people I love. I know what it feels like to watch someone you love lose their health. I know the fear, pain and helplessness of watching your loved one suffer and not being able to do anything to help them. I don't want this to happen to you too. I feel blessed to have found this amazing program, and now I want to share it with you. I am well aware that many people would be happy to pay $297 for the Lean Belly Breakthrough. However, I also know at that price there are many people who would be left out and would not be able to experience the same life-changing benefits like so many others have. For this reason, I have decided that you're not going to have to pay anywhere close to $297 to get your hands on the Lean Belly Breakthrough today. In fact, you don't even have to pay $197 or $97, which is less than the cost of one visit with a dietitian, nutritionist, or good personal trainer. Instead, when you say yes to the Lean Belly Breakthrough today and you make the commitment to melt away all of your stubborn belly fat and the #1 cause of heart disease and diabetes that is slowly killing you, while regaining the youthful vigor, health and fitness of a person half your age, you will simply be asked to help recoup a tiny portion of my huge medical expenses, web costs and sky-high advertising fees by investing only $37 in your health, fitness and well-being. If you are ready to take control over your body and health today and want an easy-to-follow, doctor-created program for quickly losing 15, 25, 35 pounds of deadly belly fat or more while preventing deadly heart disease and type 2 diabetes, act now by clicking the order button below. Right after, you will be taken to a secure page that looks like this. Once you have entered your information, you will gain instant access to the entire Lean Belly Breakthrough program. You will be able to immediately start using the Breakthrough 2-minute belly fat melting rituals, the emergency fat loss guide, the diabetes and heart disease reversing recipes, the little-known herbs, spices and minerals, the easy-to-follow heart attack prevention method, the delicious metabolism-boosting meal plan and the detailed instructional videos. Plus, you will have immediate access to a list of belly fat melting, diabetes-busting desserts that you can put in your diet immediately without fear of weight gain or blood sugar issues. I will also provide you with my list of libido-boosting foods that will improve sex drive and performance quickly and safely. You will be able to access everything immediately from your computer, smartphone or tablet. There is no need to wait for anything to be shipped, so you can get started in just minutes from now. If you are interested, please click the link below the video.